Alright. So I thought of this prank idea. My friend's coming over. Most likely he'll stay over. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pretend to snore loud, and I want to get his reaction. I don't know what he's gonna do. I don't know if he'll wake me up or he'll be like, "Hey man, you snoring," or if he will just get up and probably just go upstairs because we have another couch upstairs that is comfortable. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set a camera up by this couch, and I'm gonna set one up upstairs just in case. More than likely he'll probably wake me up, but we'll see the reaction. Anyway, stay tuned. So he went upstairs. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna still snore a little bit longer so he can still hear me. And then tomorrow I'm gonna let him be. Tonight I end up falling asleep here anyway. So tomorrow I'll ask about it in the morning and I'll get his reaction. Stay tuned.
Yo, you snoring mad loud, bro. You snoring mad loud. OD like, yo, when I went upstairs, I heard you upstairs. That shit was so loud, like, I tried to cover my ears.
I figured that's what it was.